In this video, we're unboxing and installing the off-road light pods on this 2014 Ford F-150. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. Instruction manual, light pod wiring harness, and a switch. Positive and negative power supply. Triangular plug. Light pod body. Light pod dust cover. Bracket cushion block. Mounting screw, washer, fastening nut, light pod bracket adjustment tool, flathead screwdriver. Tools required for installing off-road light pods: zip tie, 8mm open-end ratcheting wrench, 13mm open-end wrench, 13mm open-end ratcheting wrench, diagonal pliers. Open the engine hood. Remove the engine wiring harness plug from the driver's side firewall. Insert the switch through the firewall. Root the switch out from the driver's side steering wheel area. The switch has two functions: headlight switch button, RGB mode. Peel off the backing adhesive and install according to personal preference. Select a suitable installation position based on the vehicle model. Organize the wiring harness. Connect the switch plug. After organizing the wiring harness, secure it with zip ties. Use diagonal pliers to trim the excess zip ties. After organizing the wiring harness, secure it with zip ties. Use diagonal pliers to trim the excess zip ties. Find a suitable location for the relay and fuse. Secure them with zip ties. Use diagonal pliers to trim the excess zip ties. Organize the plug wiring harness and secure it with zip ties. Use diagonal pliers to trim the excess zip ties. After organizing the plug wiring harness, secure it with zip ties. Use diagonal pliers to trim the excess zip ties. Insert the stud into the hole. Place the bracket cushion onto the screw. Place the base. Assemble in the order of flat washer, spring washer, and nut. Tighten the nut using a 13mm open-end wrench. Route the light pod plug into the engine bay. Connect it to the previous plug wiring harness. Using an 8mm open-end wrench. Loosen the battery positive terminal screw. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal. Place the nut. Tighten the nut using an 8mm open-end wrench. Using an 8mm open-end wrench. Loosen the battery negative terminal nut. Connect the black wire to the negative terminal. Tighten the nut using an 8mm open-end wrench. Close the engine hood. These two pieces are the headlight dust covers. They can protect the light unit and also allow DIY mode, meaning you can have one half open and the other half closed. Post-installation demonstration. This switch has two buttons. The top button is for RGB mode. RGB mode has two settings. One is breathing mode. One is single color mode. Currently in single color mode. Currently in breathing mode. The lower button is the headlight switch button. Currently in off state. Currently in on state. To turn off the RGB mode, press and hold the top button. Hold for 3 seconds to turn it off.